Aqara Hub. We build custom websites for free. Ohkie.com. Welcome to Intech. Today we'll show you how to turn your home into a smart home, even if you're on a budget. Aqara Hub is a control center for the entire smart home. Connecting via the Zigbee protocol, Aqara accessories will still work efficiently even if your home network is unstable or disconnected. Aqara's vision is to provide customers with all-inclusive smart home products and solutions that are attractively designed, inexpensive, and easy to use. The name Aqara originated from the Latin words acutulus, smart, and era, home. And you can control Aqara accessories with Siri on your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, or HomePod. Just say, "Siri, I'm home," and the lights will automatically turn on for you. There is a wide range of accessories you can connect with your Aqara Hub. With the motion sensor in use, lights are on when the room becomes occupied. Lights are off when nobody is home. When motion is detected in the evening, the hub light automatically turns on. Connecting with the wireless mini switch enables you to have a smart doorbell and a personalized ringtone. With a press of the wireless mini switch, the hub plays your preferred ringtone. By pairing it with a door and window sensor, you can receive a reminder to turn on your security for your home. With the door and window sensor, you can turn on alarm mode when you leave the house or when you are asleep. If a door or window becomes unlocked, the hub will sound an alarm and direct notification to your phone. With the smart plug plus a temperature and humidity sensor, you can adjust and control the temperature and humidity inside your home to create your very own comfort zone. With the water leak sensor, when a leak is detected, the Aqara Hub will sound an alarm to alert you and send notifications to your smartphone. Using their extensive portfolio, you can connect up to 40+ Aqara products to the Aqara Hub to provide you with a seamless way to automate your home one step at a time. All products are user-friendly and require zero tools to set up. It is an easy do-it-yourself installation that you can maintain and customize however you see fit. Aqara's devices are in more than 192 countries and have more than 2 million customers globally.